How to send through a blacked out text. I'm going to show you how to do something similar to this where you can see a black cover over the text message. So this is going to be on iPhone, but this is going to be a similar process on Android where you can make this and then send it through, whether that's on WhatsApp or Messenger. So first of all, go to your photos, then click on it, then go to the top right hand corner where it says edit, then go to the top right hand corner again where you see that little pen icon at the top right hand corner. Then you can see here a little section in the bottom right hand corner where it says plus. Click on that plus there in the circle, then go ahead and click on that little square as you can see, then click on the square and little circle thing on the left hand side of the screen, then make sure it's that fully covered black kind of square there as you can see it. Then you can kind of shape that to whatever shape is going to fit over your text, kind of mold it around there, put it so it covers the full image. Then once you're done with it, click done in the top right hand corner, then yet again click done in the bottom right hand corner. Then it's done and you can kind of send that through, whether that's on WhatsApp or Messenger. So leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.